Agriculture Minister of the state, BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH, had today met with mushroom farmers from Japan to interact on the introduction of farming of the Shiitake mushroom, which is available in the state. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH informed that the meeting had discussed the introduction of the new type of mushroom in the state, which will benefit farmers. He also informed that the government will allot a special place for Shiitake mushroom farming, and the training for farmers is still going on so that they can acquaint themselves with this new crop. It may be informed that since this crop grows only on a particular type of tree, the place for plantation of the same will be ready very soon and has been identified at Upper Shillong.
Penmi yau ni tit Shiitake ki bang yau te kini kadi ke jingwan jongki ba ngiyo ban ya penbait man ni kran namar ni dalam kumno ru bongot manta kut senang manta bana Disamba bangin yo ban ready no ya kata ka senta mo ang tay po Shillong bat penmi yau ni Shiitake mushroom bangila anglot aslam ba na mau doi we naki tit ki ba pauna ma po perthai bro we but kari ka state ka jongi ka baya tayo but kani ka company na po Japan nakabentaban penmi ya utit jongi yang ni utit Shiitake yang ni po ka jala ka jongi te ka jinga kran ka long ka ba sungutana but nakaliang joki lu ki la penpau ya jing so comment hadin ka jingla jongi ban pian mo ya ka te ka jaka but kumju nakabenta bagi bat penpoi kini ki machine ki bakin wan poi na do na po Japan nakabenta jing penan kam kumno bangin la ban penmi Kambon nakabenta ka jing don kam bangin consume hi mangi ki bre ne bat kumju bangin yo ban supply abo bro ko kari India.
Further, the minister informed that all materials, including machinery for the purpose, will be brought from Japan so as to enable the best growth of the crop. He added that the farmers from Japan will visit West Khasi Hills district to inspect the chestnut trees locally known as Ding Soot and to determine the possibility of growth of the Shiitake mushroom on these kinds of trees.
Kabide bagani kumno bandrap yung nebu o tit Shiitake te keleng nakaliang kini ki parlok ki jongi buan na po Japan ro kin select la shai ban le jungo ya ko ka jaka ka ba don showes kasil na ka banta ni pet yang banta kini ki ding mungi don kamba yu ne u tit Shiitake ki le au ding pi ban rap te ki dang li pet yu ne u ding suat ni no mo ding suat nang ta u ba ki la ya rap khnang ki no rap ki jongi khnang bagin la ban pendap ban penbiang ban ai di kajing hikai yang dituju kelaya yang tepo mushroom development center na kapor Singapore but ngayek scam balada kum mangilong mentah mo utit do utit budam mangila penbi ma but ngin sayo penbi so ni utit Shiitake pat po kajela bi.
As far as the expenditure on the project is concerned, the minister informed that as per the central government scheme, the Agriculture Department had already spent a few crores of rupees on the Mushroom Development Center and also on the import of materials from Japan. BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH also informed that marketing of the Shiitake mushroom from the state is in full swing, and he is hopeful that the farmers will benefit after receiving training so as to enable marketing of this crop not only in the state but to other parts of the country as well.